Modern Age MCQs. Physics, class first year, unit number 1, measurements, part number 5. The ratio of solid angle of a sphere of radius r at its center to plane angle of a circle of same radius at its surface equals to A option 4 steradian per radian, 2 steradian per radian, 1 steradian per radian, 0.5 steradian per radian. The key is 2 steradian per radian. The correct option is B. Reason: the solid angle is denoted by sigma and usually the plane angle is denoted by theta. The ratio is sigma per theta equal to 4 pi steradian per 2 pi radian, which is equal to 2 steradian per 1 radian. Hence the ratio of solid angle to a circle of same radius is 2 steradian per 1 radian. In radius of a sphere, the percentage uncertainty is 2.1%. The uncertainty in its volume will be A option 8.1%, B option 6.3%, C option 4.6%, D option 2.1%. K is 6.3%. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. The percentage uncertainty in volume is equal to the power of radius into percentage uncertainty in radius, which is equal to 3 into percentage uncertainty in radius equal to 3 into 2.1%, which is equal to 6.3%. Hence, the percentage uncertainty in volume is 6.3%. The percentage uncertainty in the radius of a cylinder is 2% and in its length is 1%. The uncertainty in its volume is calculated to be option A 3%, B 5%, C 7%, D 9%. The key is 5%. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason: the volume of a cylinder is area into length, which is equal to pi r square into length. The percentage uncertainty in area of cross-section of cylinder is equal to power of radius into percentage uncertainty of radius. The uncertainty in the area is 2 into percentage uncertainty in radius equal to 2 into 2%, which is equal to 4%, and in length is percentage uncertainty 1. Therefore, the percentage uncertainty in the volume is equal to percentage uncertainty in area plus percentage uncertainty in length, which is equal to 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5%. Hence, the percentage uncertainty in volume of cylinder is 5%. A current of 0.1 ampere can be written as option A 0.1 milliampere, B 1 milliampere, C 10 milliampere, D 100 milliampere. The key is 100 milliampere. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason: the current 0.1 ampere is equal to 1 by 10 ampere is equal to 1 by 10 into 100 divided by 100 ampere is equal to 100 divided by 10 power 3 ampere is equal to 100 into 10 power minus 3 ampere, where 10 power minus 3 is 1 milli. Therefore, the current 0.1 ampere is equal to 100 milliampere. Hence, current of 0.1 ampere can be written as 100 milliampere. The time 2.5 into 10 power minus 12 second can be written in prefixes as A option 2.5 picosecond, B option 2.5 millinanoseconds, C option 2.5 microseconds, D option 2.5 kilofemtoseconds. The key is 2.5 picoseconds. The correct option is A. Reason. In options B, C, and D, double prefixes are used with SI unit. Two or more than two prefixes are not allowed to replace a number given in power 10. Hence, the time 2.5 into 10 power minus 12 seconds can be written in prefixes as 2.5 picoseconds. The multiplication of 6.635 and 3.81 results 25.2794, B 25.279, C 25.28, D 25.3. The key is 25.3. Therefore, correct option is D. Reason. In multiplication, 6.635 into 3.81 is equal to 25.27935. The answer is rounded to the smallest significant figures in given factors. In this case, the factor 3.81 as smallest significant figures 3. Therefore, the answer is rounded to three significant figures to 25.3253. Hence, multiplication of 6.635 and 3.81 is rounded to 25.3. The error in a measurement is due to A option, imperfection of experimenter, B option, limitation of apparatus, C option, change in environment, D option, all of the above. The key is all of the above. D option is correct. Reason. The error in a measurement is due to imperfection of experimenter, limitation of apparatus, and change in environment, because the option A is the personal error, B is the systematic error, and C is the random error. Therefore, the option D is correct. Hence, the error in measurement is due to options A, B, and C. Which one is not dimensionally correct? Option A. S is equal to Vt. B. S is equal to Vit plus 0.58 square. C. S is equal to 0.5 into Vi square plus Vf square into T. D. S is equal to 0.5 into Vi plus Vf into T. The correct option is C. Reason. The dimensional formula of left hand side of all the options is square bracket m power 0, l power 1, t power 0. The dimensional formula of right hand sides of options A, B and D is also square bracket m power 0, l power 1, t power 0. Therefore, they are dimensionally correct. The dimension formula of right hand side of option C is square bracket m power 0, l power 2, t power minus 1. The dimensions of left hand sides are not equal to right hand sides. Hence, 0.5 into vi square plus vf square into t is not dimensionally correct. The significant figures in the mass of an electron 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kg are counted to be option A 5, B 4, C 3, D 2. The key is 3. The correct option is C. Reason. In scientific notation, 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kg. The digits in mantissa are significant because the power of 10 only locates the position of digits in mantissa. The mantissa is 9.11. Therefore, the significant digits are 9, 1, 1 and significant figures are 3. Hence, the significant figures are 3. The distance traveled by light in a year called light year. The dimension formula of light year will be option A square bracket MLT, B square bracket MLT power 0, C option square bracket M L power 0, T power 0, D option square bracket M power 0, L T power 0. The key is square bracket M power 0, L T power 0. Therefore, correct option is D. Reason. The light year is the unit of distance. Therefore its dimensional formula is square bracket m power 0 l t power 0 because m power 0 is 1, t power 0 is 1. Hence, the dimensional formula of light year is square bracket m power 0 l t power 0. The correct measurements of the diameter of a wire with screw gauge having least count 0.01 millimeter will be A 3.2 millimeter, 3.22 millimeter, 3.220 millimeter, 3.200 millimeter. Key 3.22 millimeter. The option B is correct. Reason. The correct measurements depend on the least count of an instrument as the least count of screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter. Therefore, the correct measurement of the diameter of wire is up to 2 steps after decimal. Hence, the correct measurement of diameter of wire is 3.22 millimeter. The correct measurement of radius of a bearing ball by vernier caliper of least count 0.1 millimeter is A option 1.1 centimeter, 1.12 centimeter, 1.120 centimeter, 1.1121 centimeter. Key is 1.12 centimeter. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason. The least count of vernier caliper is 0.1 millimeter, which is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Therefore, in correct measurements, the digits after decimal should be equal to the digits in the least count in centimeter. Hence, the correct measurement of radius of bearing bar is 1.12 centimeter, because the least count of vernier caliper in centimeter is 0.01. After decimal, there are two digits. One is 0, other is 1. In z is equal to x minus y, where x is equal to 1.27 plus minus 0.02 meters and y is equal to 0.77 plus minus 0.01 meter, the percentage uncertainty is calculated to be option A 1%, B 3%, C 6%, D 8%. The key is 6%. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason. Z is equal to x minus y. Therefore, Z is equal to 1.27 plus minus 0.02 meter minus 0.77 plus minus 0.01 meter, or Z is equal to 1.27 minus 0.77 plus minus 0.02 plus 0.01, or that is equal to 0.5 plus minus 0.03 meter. The percentage uncertainty in Z is 0.03 divided by 0.5 into 100, which is equal to 6%. Hence, the percentage uncertainty in Z is 6%.